Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on Robinhood. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are new to Robinhood. How do you actually go ahead and buy stocks? Now, if you haven't signed up for Robinhood just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, we'll each get a free stock. So with that, once you're logged into Robinhood, the way it'll actually work is that if you go ahead and scroll all the way down, first you need to go ahead and have buying power. So buying power is basically your cash that you can use to buy options, cryptocurrencies, or stocks. So by clicking on the buying power, you'll be able to deposit funds. So first deposit funds in order to actually have some buying power, and then let's go ahead and move into buying stocks. Now once you go ahead and scroll down, you'll see that I have a watch list of different stocks and ETFs that I have. But you can actually scroll down even more and click on create a watch list or a screener. So by creating a watch list, what it's actually doing, click on create watch list, is that you're going to keep an eye on different investments that you're interested in. So if I name this Tech 2 and then click on create, I could actually find stocks within this watch list. So here if we type in Apple, you'll see that I've added the Apple stock into this watch list. Now, if I want to go ahead and buy the stock, you simply just click on the stock and then click on trade and then click on buy. So right now the trading market is pretty much closed, but with that, you'll be able to actually go ahead and trade or buy Apple by clicking on this right here. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and buy stocks on Robinhood. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.